Hello, yes, and welcome to our Objective 1.5 sample problems video. Objective 1.5 says I can find the inverse of a linear function algebraically, so let's do that, and then we'll graph both the original and the inverse on the coordinate plane provided. So looking at f of x equals 2x minus 4 here in letter A, we're going to start by replacing f of x with y, so y will become 2x minus 4. Switch x and y, remember that's the essential part of the inverse. Then we add 4, so we'll have x plus 4 equals 2y, and we divide by 2 to get y all by itself. So y will equal 1/2 x plus 2. Now for our final answer, we write it as an inverse, so f inverse of x equals 1/2 x plus 2. So now let's graph these. 2x minus 4, we'll have a y-intercept of negative 4. It'll go up 2 and right 1, up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1, down 2, left 1, down 2, left 1. There we go. And we can connect those dots like so. Lovely, isn't she lovely? All right, 1/2 x plus 2 for our inverse, so we'd have a positive right there, and then we go up 1, right 2, 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 down 1, left 2, down 1, left 2, down 1, left 2, down 1, left 2. Excellent. Connect our dots to the best of our ability. Beautiful. And then by doing that, we can see quite clearly that y equals x at a line of symmetry. So that tells us we're doing everything pretty darn well. All right, let's look at letter B. F of x equals 3/2 x minus 3. So let's start switching f of x with y. 3/2 x minus 3. I'll have to switch x and y next. So we will say x equals 3/2 y minus 3. Now our goal is to get y all by itself. Add 3, so x plus 3 equals 3/2 y. To get rid of this fraction, I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. So I'll have 2x plus 6 equals 3y. And then to get y all by itself, divide it all by 3. So I would have y equals 2/3 x plus 2. So my inverse function would be f inverse of x equals 2/3 x plus 2. So now let's graph it. So 3/2 x minus 3 would be up 3, right 2, up 3, right 2, up 3, right 2, up 3, right 2, down 3, left 2, down 3, left 2. And we can connect our dots like so. Fantastic. Now let's graph that inverse as well, 2/3 x plus 2. So plus 2 will be right there, and I'll go up 2, right 3, up 2, right 3, up 2, right 3, down 2, left 3, down 2, left 3, down 2, left 3, and there we go. Connect our dots. Beautiful. Fantastic. All right, and we can see that y equals x line of symmetry right across there. We should be feeling pretty confident. Let's look at letter C here, negative x plus 5. Ooh, fun. So let's start replacing f of x with y, negative x plus 5, and then switch x and y. So this will become x equals negative y plus 5. So subtract the 5, so x minus 5 equals negative y. Then we can multiply everything by negative 1 to switch our signs. When I do that, I'd have negative x plus 5 equals y, which is the same as y equals negative x plus 5. So the inverse here, f inverse of x, equals negative x plus 5. Now notice, that's the same as the original function. Well, let's try to graph that and figure out why. Negative x plus 5 has a y-intercept of 5, and then it would go down 1 and over 1 all the way. Down 1 over 1. And I'm plotting every 2 just so I don't have to plot that many. I can connect my lines like so. Now notice that y equals x line of symmetry. This is already symmetric to that line, isn't it? So that's why the inverse matches the original function. Pretty cool, huh? All right, we got one more, letter D. Negative 1/3 x plus 2. So let's start with replacing f of x with y. Negative 1/3 x plus 2. Switching x and y, so x will equal negative 1/3 y plus 2. I'm going to subtract 2. X minus 2 is negative 1/3 y. And then I'm just going to multiply this by negative 3. When I do that, I'll have negative 3x plus 6 equals y. So that means my inverse function, f inverse of x, equals negative 3x plus 6. All right, so let's graph these. Negative 1/3 x plus 2, so that would be down 1, right 3, down 1, right 3, down 1, right 3. There we go. Up 1, left 3, up 1, left 3, up 1, left 3. Excellent. Go ahead and try to connect these dots to the best of our ability. That wasn't very good, but we'll call it good enough. Good enough for government work. Negative 3x plus 6 is right here. And from that, I'll go down 3, right 1, 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 up 3, left 1. Connect our dot like so. And there we go. Now this y equals x axis. I think if our lines was a little better graph, we'd be able to see that pretty well. But I'm still feeling pretty confident about those answers. And hopefully you are too, now that we've reached the end of our sample problems. Hopefully you're feeling confident with objective 1.5 and you're ready to start those practice problems. If not, feel free to reach out to me. We can get you on more solid ground. But go ahead and start those practice problems. This is Mr. Carter signing off, and I'll see you next time.